Good afternoon. Finally the day has been arrived which I was waiting for. Can you see the beast and guess the color which we are taking today? We have slightly changed the plan and we have decided the other color, and this is something color which is waiting under the black curtains. So I am going to show you something other which has been launched recently, BS6 version bullet. Can you see my cousins? These blue shirts, both are my cousins. They are very happy and excited. And he is Rashid, my friend. He is here for the vlog, and he is a good biker, so he is excited as
very
well.
much excited to take the delivery.
Okay, I can understand. Can't wait. Keep guessing, guys, about this color. We're going to reveal it soon. Curtains will be raised soon.
Taking the world, you'll see.